I think then coming back to just the silos, I think again, we've never really set ourselves up to build this little empire of our own. It's about being collaborative. There are amazing ideas out there. What you tend to find then is these brands come to us and say, will you manufacture for us? And we're like, great. And then we're able to actually add value further down the value chain for them, from a sales, from a merchandising, and then from an advertising and new product development point of view. So there's benefit and win-win for everyone along the value chain. So yeah, it's for us very much collaboration and learning from each other. I never say we have all the answers ourselves. So we learn a lot from these brands too that we then manufacture for. But what is wonderful is we're then able to influence the manufacturing and the type of product that comes to market. So it will be free from, it'll be designed according to integrative nutrition principles without the bad stuff. So yeah, that's how we find we just plant seeds in the right places.
Wonderful.